Hey, what's up Shiba Inu holder? This is very important update for Shiba Inu holder because in this video we will talk about the Shiba Inu price target. Absolutely my friend, a lot of experts says my friends to the price is very cheap and definitely they will be moving very slowly, but my brother, some experts says also this my brother, to upcoming time there is a lot of chances so they will hit my friend $1 dollar definitely my friend. But I agree my friend with my friend, not these experts who tell this my friends so they will hit $1 dollar just and only my friend in upcoming time and very short time my brother, because I don't know my brother to why he said this, but I really know my brother this is impossible to they will hit before my brother 2030 to 2035. Definitely a lot of older tell us to they will hit now in 2025, but this is absolutely very impossible my brother. So in this video my brother I will talk about the Shiba Inu price target to just in only my friend, and 2022 they will give you my friend 0.40106 dollar. This is absolutely possible, otherwise my friend this is impossible to they will give you $1 dollar, 0.1 dollar. This is impossible now, so I cannot give you a fake news. This is reality my brother. Shiba Inu is losing now in last 3 days my friend, definitely again, because my brother short-term investor when they see my friends to the price will move upward, the coin is starting moving upward, then they're starting selling, and definitely if a holder starting selling so the coin is dumps down, coin is completely going the garbage. But definitely my friend after a short time they will again take a very huge jump now, because long-term investors they are starting investing, so their coin will be moving upward now. Thanks for watching Shiba Inu holder. Hope you also understand something new in this video. Please like video. If you need this type more informative video, just click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.